Unboxing. This video will introduce the unboxing instructions for DJI Neo Motion Fly More combo and how to prepare for the first flight. Unboxing. Open the box and take out DJI Neo, DJI Goggles N3, DJI RC Motion 3, and the accessories. Charging and powering on. Check the appearance of DJI Neo. Press down to remove the gimbal protector. Make sure the battery has been correctly installed on DJI Neo. Activate the battery by connecting the USB charger to the USB-C port on DJI Neo. When the battery level LEDs light up, it means that the battery has been successfully activated. The goggles and the motion controller can be charged via the USB-C port. When using for the first time, it is recommended to fully charge all devices to ensure there is enough battery level for the following activation and update operations. Press and then press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to power on DJI Neo. The motion controller, and goggles. When using goggles for the first time, follow the goggles instructions and learn about the button functions. Downloading the app. Scan the QR code on the package to download and install the DJI Fly app. Activation. Use the included USB-C data cable or your own data cable to connect the USB-C port of the goggles to your smartphone. Keep your smartphone connected to the internet. Launch the DJI Fly app. Register or log into a DJI account, and then follow the prompts to activate the devices. If you have purchased or intend to purchase DJI Care Refresh, please finish the purchasing and binding within 48 hours of activating DJI Neo. Updating firmware. When a new firmware update prompt appears in the app, tap the prompt to enter the update screen, and then tap Download to update DJI Neo to the latest firmware version. During the update, it is normal for the devices to automatically restart. Do not power off the devices or exit the DJI Fly app. After the update, DJI Neo will automatically power off and will need to be manually powered on. You can also use DJI Assistant 2 Consumer Drone Series to update DJI Neo, the goggles, and the motion controller separately. Replacing battery. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to power off DJI Neo. Press the battery latch, then push the Intelligent Flight battery toward the tail of DJI Neo to remove it. Align the battery so that it is in the mounting position. Insert the battery and push it all the way toward the head of DJI Neo. The click sound and the battery latch popping up indicate the battery is properly inserted. Charging hub. Insert the batteries into the slots of the charging hub and push them down all the way. Activate the batteries by connecting the USB charger to the USB-C port on the charging hub. Each battery needs to be connected before use. When the LEDs of the charging hub turn solid, it means that the batteries have been fully charged. The charging hub with the inserted batteries can be used as a power bank. Connect an external device, then press and hold the function button for 3 seconds to supply power to the external device.